Hello, hello po. Good day po sa inyong lahat. Welcome, welcome po. Ako po si Bernadette Lacsamana, President and Mortgage Broker po sa Carista Mortgage. And joining me today is one of our VIP partners, Michael Cabal. Michael, you want
Good
to say hi
morning.
to our people?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning to all the Carista Mortgages clients.
Ayan. So, Michael is here and he's given me some beautiful insights tungkol sa nangyayari sa market. So, we're feeling a certain shift na nangyayari this week. So, Michael, can you share with us anong nangyayari dun sa listing mo? Kwento mo yung sa listing mo.
Right now sa mga listings, ang nakikita namin right now is there's a little bit of shift. It becoming more people are calling us up na. Yung before talaga na, let's say, ang listing mo, it will stay around 3 to 4 months. But now, nakita namin na ang mga tao tumatawag na, nag-showing na, nagkakaroon na ng accepted offer na sa mga listing. So, it's starting to shift. It's the time na we can say na dahan-dahan ang umangat na yan. Nag-iiba na ng ano, hindi na siya nagiging buyers is starting to become a little bit of the seller's market na. A little bit pa lang.
Yeah, kasi ang magandang observation yan kasi what I heard you say, yung listing mo na apat, hindi nagpalit yung presyo yung seller mo. Yung ibang seller nagbababa ng presyo, right? So yung listing mo, 4 months, same price, right? Kahit na
Same
walang
price,
activity.
no, same price. My client wanted it that price. So he said like, we're okay na we stick it on. Parang ganon. But even though, of course, it took a little bit long time, but now nakita namin na the same price, may nag-offer na.
Ayan. Ibig sabihin, hindi buyer's market yon, nag-seller. Kasi kung ano yung gusto ng seller, yon ang nakuha niyang presyo.
That's correct.
Ayan. So yun, so yan nangyayari sa listing. So sa buyers naman, Michael, anong nakikita mo sa mga buyers? Nakakatawad pa rin ba? Or how is it out there?
As of right now, buyers can still ask for a little bit of discount.
Okay.
There's still opportunity to get a discount on prices.
Mm-mm.
But of course, it depends on the property. Some properties right
Yeah.
now, uh, may mga ibang techniques na nakikita na namin ngayon sa
Yes.
market. So we are
Share
seeing
with us
that
yung technique na yan, Michael, na ay, ay,
with
ay.
So ibang nakikita namin, ibang mga sellers ang ginagawa, binababaan ng husto yung presyo. Pero pag mag-offer ka, sasabihin nila, let's say example, asking price is 399. Nag-offer
Mhm.
ka. Sasabihin ng seller, eh hindi, gusto namin ang presyo na kukuha namin is 420. So from 399, eh gusto pala 420 pero ang listed price nila 399. So they're just trying to attract people to look at the place at mag-catch ka na give ng offer. Sometimes napipilitan na ang buyer na, sige, gawin ko na yung 420 even though it's 30
Mhm.
to 40 above price. So nakita namin there's some techniques na ginagawa nila which is, sometimes for a buyer, madi-discourage sila. So
Yes.
what I would suggest there is you talk to your realtor just to give already right away makita masabi sa iyo na what's the comparable in the area para at least you're
Yes.
already prepared na
Correct.
hindi ka parang madaya or parang you
Yes.
see that, oh, what's this happening, because there are different sellers has different techniques on selling the property. Some of them do it in a different way that is not really, comfortable for a buyer to buy kind of thing.
Yeah, I love what you said kasi minsan si buyer nakita niya yung listing, mga Pilipino gusto po tawad ano. Michael, kung ang
Yes.
listing 399, ofera natin ng 379. Pero you are the expert, kaya tama yung sinabi mo. That's why for us sa buyers out there, it's important to be working with an expert kasi tama, they will look at comparables. Ibig sabihin, Michael, anong ibig sabihin ng comparables? Para
It
ma-equip sila.
Ang ibig sabihin ng comparables is in that certain area, let's just say, in a building, let's say, sabihin na natin sa New West, downtown New West,
Mhm.
in that same area, downtown US, magkano ba ang bentahan ng two-bedroom? Ano ba yung, let's say, in that area, two-bedroom is 500. This area is 520. Oh, ito 5 something. So ibig sabihin alam na natin in that area ang bentahan is around 500,000. So that's the
Ayan.
comparables.
Oo, so bali merong data si Michael na makukuha niya. Ito yung mga listing sa area na yan. Ito yung mga nabenta sa area na yan na ganitong klase ng property. So hindi lang po basta-basta na nakita niya po yung listing, tatawad na ang Pilipino, ganyan eh. Nakita mo yung listing, tawaran natin ng 20. Hindi po, itignan po natin yung mga comparables. Kaya kailangan talaga meron kayong realtor expert na tumutulong sa iyo pagdating sa negotiation at saka sa proper information. Di ba nga, Michael? Ano?
Yes, talagang kailangan para at least equipped kayo na at least you know ahead of time na before you make an offer, before you do anything, at least you know all your information, you know all your options. At least from there, you can get the correct decision na gusto mong what offer you want to do with the property.
Ayan. So ngayon nag-shift na yung market. I felt that. So marami po kaming kliyente ngayon. So meron kaming isang kliyente ang sabi sa akin, Bernadette, a few months ago, we can take our time. Nakakita namin, pwede ka pang tumawad ngayon. Ang hirap tumawad, natalo kami. Ang listing ng bahay is 1,190,000. Nag-offer kami ng 1,220,000. Ang nanalo mas malaki pa doon, wala pang subject. Sabi ko, oh my goodness. So nag-uumpisa na naman po. So Michael, what do you think? Anong opinion mo what's gonna happen when the new rules kick in na itong sa December 15?
With that December 15, nako, it will, people have more buying power.
Yes.
Technically, they will have more buying power to buy a specific, especially for like a detached home, because it's
Mm-hmm.
gonna be more than 1,500,000. So with that scenario, people, especially let's say tayo mga Pilipino na mga kamag-anak, anak, pwede magsama-sama na tayo para at least makakuha tayo ng a bigger house for you guys. At the same time, because of that house, you feel more comfortable with the space, bigger with the equity. At the same time, sama-sama tayo as as Filipinos, we want to be always all together.
Yes, kasi napag-usapan namin, nag-usap tayo kanina, Michael, sabi natin, pag bumili ng 1 million na property, at least ang down payment, mas maliit na lang. Dati, 200,000. Ngayon, pwede ka nang bumili kahit na 75,000 na lang yung down payment mo sa 1 million. And then napag-usapan natin, pero kailangan mo pa rin mag-qualify. 'Di ba?
Yes.
So, pero at least ngayon, pag gusto mong bumili ng 1 million, meron kang pang down, kailangan mo ng income. Samantalang dati, kailangan mo na ng pang-down, kailangan pa income. So ngayon, uh, sa income na lang. And ang mga Pilipino naman, very resourceful, very hardworking. So yun ang nakita natin bayanihan. Michael, di ba? Talagang, you
Yes.
know, tatlo, apat, pwede po kayong bumili together.
Oo. At lalabas ito, tutulong-tulungan na lang tayo lahat.
Yes, magtutulong-tulong tayo. Tapos meron akong isa ding kliyente, tatlo sila, kasama yung kapatid. Sabi ko, magtulong-tulong kayo, paano yung hatian? Well, pag-uusapan nyo kung anong ownership, one-third, one-third, 25% or what have you. Tapos after 5 years, ibebenta mo, hahatiin mo rin yung kinita, and then you can all go your separate ways para bumili, or you can buy an even bigger home together. So marami pong options na available para sa inyo moving ngayon and moving forward. Kaya nga, pagdating sa real estate, si, any questions about housing, kung gusto niyo bumili ng apartment ba, condo ba, o townhouse ba, o house ba, dapat niyo pong tawagan si Michael pagdating po sa real estate. Michael, any tips po para sa ating mga clients who are buying or who want to sell? Anong gusto niyo pong sabihin sa kanila right now?
Right now, what I could tell for both of them, buying and selling, is know everything beforehand. Know your option. No, because of course, it's a big investment though. So, you have to get experts behind your back that will teach you and help you to get that correct. Para makapag-decide ka ng tama, is you have to have an expert na, let's say, si Bernadette and me, that will be behind you to talk to you and to explain to you all what is out there kasi it's a very broad scenario. So, ang gusto natin is happy kayo at the same time, hindi kayo mahihirapan. Yun ang gusto namin as a, like Bernadette and I, we want our clients to be comfortable after they buy a house, they are happy with the house, not with just the house because of the service that we provide.
Ayan, ayan, ayan. So, okay. So, remember yung rules magkikick in po sa December. In the meantime, it's very important for you to investigate ano po yung options po ninyo before the new rules and after the new rules. We are here for you. Any real estate questions, we'll post yung contact ni Michael here. And any money, mortgage, finance questions, please make sure you reach out to us here at Carista Mortgage. We are here for you. We want to make a positive, lasting difference po sa buhay ninyo. So enjoy the rest of your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you, Michael. Thank you for joining us today.
Salamat! See ya!